Who has done that there? Was it you? Who's done that? Now I've got to clean that up. Was it you? Or was it Archie? What am I going to do? Alfie? Was that you? Was it you?
Zoe, did you eat all the cookies out of the jar? And then did you poop all over the house? And then did you come over here and lay down instead of telling anybody about it?
There it is, look, see?
There we go. That's kind of frightening, actually.
I think it's cute. It ought to go on YouTube.
Yep, I think I'll put it up there.
It ought to go on YouTube, yes. Yes, it should. They got a pretty smile, I think.